Hi, my name is Joanne Yao, and I'm the managing partner of the Yao Law Firm. We're here at the St. John's Town Center, where I just came from that Starbucks from a client meeting. I'm about to tell you a little bit about myself and a little bit about my firm. We are a two-attorney law firm that's focused on protecting businesses and representing the injured. And last year, I was happy to become a licensed sports agent so I can help represent our athlete clients as well. As a litigator, it's very easy for me to highlight my clients' attributes or to make them shine in front of a jury of six strangers. But for me to talk about myself, I found was a bit of a challenge. So I think in this process I've learned that it's important to have an advocate and important for me to be a good advocate for my clients, because it is hard to talk about yourself and tell your story. As a business owner, I am very appreciative for all the help I've gotten from my mentors and everybody who was a resource for me. Starting a business is not an easy thing to do, and the advice and the generosity of people who have been there and done that have been instrumental in helping me build my practice. I do get asked a lot about women in business and how to combat any stereotypes that are out there. I always tell my clients to find something unique about themselves and embrace it, and I tell them a personal story that I always wear this. It's a triathlon watch, and I wear it with my suit. I've had a couple older lawyers make fun of me for it, and they gave me a really hard time, but I do like to think about when I signed up my first sports client. It was the Irish Water Dogs, and when they saw my watch, I think they realized that underneath the gray and white lawyer suit on the outside, on the inside, I was somebody who was passionate and did understand what it meant to represent somebody who was in sports and who was in entertainment. I give back to the community by actively seeking leadership roles in organizations that focus on three groups: minorities, women, or students. And to that effect, I'm really active with the Chamber of Commerce. I'm on the task force for the Business Women of Color Committee, and they have a fantastic program as well that I'm involved with, and I'm a board member on the Jacksonville Women's Business Center. Now in the community there are groups like the Jacksonville Asian American Alliance. I've been serving as a board member for them. I was just appointed by Mayor Alvin Brown on MOB, which is the Mayor's Asian American Alliance, another 501c3 organization. And also a couple times a year, maybe once a semester, I'll go back to Florida Coastal School of Law. That was my alma mater. And I'll give them seminars or workshops or give a little talk to the Women's Law Student Society or the Asian Law Student Society and tell them a little bit about what it's like to practice law in Jacksonville. Now, volunteering is great, and I absolutely encourage women entrepreneurs to do that. But until your mortgage is taken care of, until your car payment is taken care of, insist on being compensated for your value. So I hope to see you in my office and not in my courtroom.